What up my people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're just seeing my face for the first time, you are most welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to and the extents where you should do this. Okay, so if you do find this video interesting yet helpful, please don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that's if you're new. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button, that way you won't miss any of my videos. If you have any questions you want to ask me, or if you want to buy some natural ingredients, they are all at my website. The link will be at my comment section, it is pinned down there. And also don't forget to visit my vlog channel, there are tons of beautiful videos there. I'm sure you're going to be loving that channel too. Alright guys, so let's jump right into this video. Okay, so I have two cloves of garlic here, and I have a needle, okay, and I have some thread, a short thread. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is to peel off the garlic cloves. Now you need just one. All right, when peeling the garlic clove, you should not punch the garlic clove in any way, so you have to make sure to peel it off so you don't have to punch it, because you don't need the juice to come out. Okay, now the reason is because when the juice comes out, it becomes too active for your veg. Okay, now before you insert this into your veg, you have to wash it with a clean water, all right, after you've peeled it. Now for the needle and the thread, you have to sterilize it. Okay, sterilize the needle and the thread. You're going to be needing apple cider vinegar, or if you have a white vinegar, you can equally use that, it's going to be perfect. Okay, so I need my bowl. Okay, so I'm going to be pouring in a little amount of the apple cider vinegar. All right, that will be okay for sterilizing this. Now you drop your needle and the thread, everything into the apple cider vinegar. Now you have to leave this for some minutes, and also you have to wash the garlic properly. Now after you've sterilized your needle and thread, then you remove it and you have to knot the down part of the thread. Now the next thing to do is to wash it after you've sterilized it, to remove the apple cider vinegar. It's wash with a cool and clean water. And that is okay. Now how you're gonna do this is to put in the needle into the, and then now you see that now it has to be like this. Okay, then the next one is to cut off the thread. Then you have this. Okay, now you can insert this into your veg and this would be out. Okay, so when you're done, like when you're satisfied with it, then you can drag it out from this with this rope and it will just easily come out. All right, assuming it's in your veg, and then you drag it out like this and it's going to be coming out like this. All right, perfect. So after you've done all this, The ideal time to insert the garlic clove in your vagina is at night. All right, insert it, you know, when you want to insert, make sure to wash your hand, and then you insert the old stuff and let the thread be out so you can draw it out. Now the next morning you are going to drag it out and throw it into the trash or the toilet. Now the garlic often makes the vagina to have this watery discharge. Now if you have an itchy sensation, one night treatment may be enough to kill the bacteria or to cure the infection. Or if it is not enough, you can repeat it the next night and it's gonna be perfect. Now if the infection has advanced to the point that you have much amount of excessive discharge and itchiness, those kind of discharges or infection can be treated with this treatment, which is garlic. All right, now you can use a dry tissue to remove some of the excessive discharge, and then you can, you know, insert the glove into your vagina in the morning. All right, then or in the evening you can remove it and insert another one, and this would help to cure and, you know, cure those bacteria like really crazy. Now if there is any cut in the garlic, it would make this treatment more stronger, that you're going to feel the heat inside of your vagina. So it is ideal you don't even cut the garlic at all, so you don't have those hot sensation inside of you. But nonetheless, if you have excessive amounts of discharge, you might decide to give it a little punch. That way it would work even better, and the vagina heals itself. So as you remove the garlic clove, it will heal in just one day. So invariably, garlic kills yeast infection in the vagina. All right, so you can go ahead and try it. Let me tell you a story. One time when I noticed that my friend, you know, tried the stuff, I was like, what the heck? I'm sure that's what you're going to be doing right now, but it's really work. All right, it is natural, and it is going to be very effective, and yeah, affordable treatment to cure yeast infection. If you do find this video interesting yet helpful, please don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that's if you're new. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you won't miss any of my videos. If you have any questions, personal, curious or beauty questions you want to ask me, endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my comment section, and also you can buy some natural ingredients at my website. Okay, the link will be at my comment section. It is pinned down there, and I'll see you soon in my next video, guys. Stay beautiful. Bye guys.